Morning, folks. Winter is upon us. A few days from now, they're talking maybe 5 inches of snow. That'd be pretty significant. Temperatures are going to be getting colder. So today we want to take care of a couple things. Dad just took off. He's going to help Denny haul some cattle. And then when Dad gets back, we're going to work some calves later today. Unhook this so we can get the tractor in the shed. Let's see if we can squeeze this thing back behind the corn pit like we did last time. It's a tight fit, but it really gets this piece of tillage out of the way. We used to park it right next to this bin, but then I went and built 2 bins, so now we can't put it there. See if I can work some magic here. Basically got to jackknife it in there. As long as I don't hit a fence, we'll be okay. That looks pretty good. Is the hardest part, getting that pin out. This takes 2 guys. It's under so much pressure and I can't really tell if I need to back up and pull ahead or what. That only took 15 minutes. Ready for the winter's slumber. I've been loading up that Kawasaki Ridge. We're going to put up that electric fence I talked about in a previous video. On some poor fence that we're going to graze cows on the stocks here soon. And I heard a zap. And I thought, let me check it out. And this just happened. That's victim number 4, I think. There's victim number 3 over there. But man, this thing's awesome. Don't touch it, Tiny. Oh! We got some little insulators. Couple T-posts, electric wire, ground rod, insulators. We got a couple fencers here. I don't know if any of these work, to be honest. And I know they haven't been in the sun for a while, but I guess we'll set them out in the sun. See if any of them get a charge and get working. I know of a couple that do work, they're just not right here. If it comes to that, might as well. This is one of those deals back in the day, you could take them in and get them fixed, and so now we just don't throw them away. The fence is bad is from that corner down there about 200 yards. So we're going to take this electric, just go straight to here and then bounce it down there. made a break on it. That was certainly better than unrolling it by hand, but rigged some stuff up. We made it work. Oh, this is gonna slide right out of my hands. Okay. This hammer really made it work. Alright, we got all that straightened out. Tighten it one more time and then we can push these stepping posts in. Oh, that's pretty good. Two times we've grazed stalks out here. The cows ended up in the neighbors. They went through this fence. You know, there's some good grass in there that's green, never been grazed. They reached their neck through and then their whole body's through. When we find an operating fencer, I can stick it on that post and we'll put the ground rod in right here. I think I skimped on the hammer. Could have went with bigger hammer. We got some sun now. Hoping somebody powers up. Oh, that one blinks. Okay. That one's in first place. What do we got here? Nope. That one's not. Hi, Ellie. That one's not wanting to start. Nope. What about you? You look newer than the rest. Yep. Alright, so these two got hope in. These two might as well throw in the garbage. Alright, before launch, we're going to do a little cleanup with this bucket where we feed at. Oh, come on. It ain't that cold. Let her preheat. Didn't we put a new battery in this? I can hear the mice running. They're right in here. That's comforting. Alright. Oh. I can hear a belt making some noise. That'll probably go out this winter. our boiler for our in-floor heat doesn't seem to be firing up right. So I took this cover off, and I'm noticing two things. One, a hellacious smell, and there's a dead bird down in there, but it looks like it's been there a while. I don't know if you see that down in there. But then also this, I don't know what it's for, is kind of busted open. How did it even get in there? There's no way. Oh, I see. One's an intake, one's an exhaust, and it goes all the way outside of the building. So it must have came through, fell out this hole, and then yeah, it didn't probably last much longer after that. Back to the mud boots we go. These are some heifers that Dad got bought recently. Our mama cows are Black Angus purebreds. And every once in a while, you know, we'll have some reds or some baldies or what have you. And people say, where'd they come from? Well, we got way more feedlot space than we have pasture for cows. So that means we can only calve so many, and then we need to buy more to fill up the rest of the feedlots, and they're not always black when we buy them. So that's where they come from and why we buy them. Got to fill the feedlots. Now I'm about to kick you in the forehead. Hey. Do it. Up in there.
That's a fly tag that don't work no more. This is somebody else's tag that we don't want no more.
Yep. Yeah, you can't do that, pal. Just gotta back up. Yep. Were you born backwards too? Now to finish up the day, we got a trailer full of some thick manure. It's not runny. It's gonna be hard to get out of there, but it needs cleaned out.
Don't do it again, Cole.
Did some good today, folks. Finish up today, Dad and I are gonna go over some soil map, some soil tests, figure out what we want to do for fall applications for phosphorus and potassium, and maybe later this week we'll be spreading some product. So thanks for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. You know, there's a lot of you that have been watching for years, and we appreciate your continued support. Thank you guys. You know, we're almost done with 2025. Been doing this YouTube thing for like 5 years, and there's a lot of you that have stuck with us the whole time, and we appreciate that. Hope you guys have a good night. Love to see you next time. Have a good one.